This month we've got the ape swing for the swing. So your basic version of that is just a weight shift with the feet down, getting used to that conditioning. Then you can do that with the feet off, so you're getting that tick-tock. From there you can put the feet back down, let go of one ring, come around and grab. Swing that arm out, then back, then around. So really try and get the feeling of that. Depending on what you've got it anchored on will depend on how high you can swing. So this one will slide if I swing too far, so I'm not going to swing too high. So don't crash into the beams on the side. But you want to make sure that your rings are anchored nicely so there's no risk when you're doing it. If it's on a tree branch or like here's a straight bar, so I can slide a little bit side to side. And it is quite a nice feeling movement to get that nice kind of figure eight action. I love it, it's quite cool. Then we've got the crawling, just going to do a pike crawl. So basically like in the warm-ups, you're walking the feet up right up onto the tippy toes, as close as you can to the hands with the knees locked out in that nice high pike. Then you're walking one hand, one leg. Only little steps, but you're just crawling, trying to keep that butt as high as possible. Then you can come back, one, and opposite. Trying to stay as high as you can. So keeping as much weight in the hands and the foot as you transfer, but yeah, ideally more in the hands to help with that press handstand position. Then we've got the sissy squat, so it's pretty simple one. You're doing 5 reps, so your goal is to work out the level that's right for you. So an easy one would just be that the squat where your knees go forward, then you can lean a little bit, try and get the knees down, then you can start to lean back even more, makes it a lot heavier, like that. But just work the range that feels good for you to get 5 reps out in 30 seconds. And then for the bend, you might find it's a bit easier on you to do the 5 with the knees slightly bent to make that harder, legs straight. If you've got some load, you could add some load to that straight leg position to make it a little bit heavier. But your choice. We've got 30 seconds on the ape swing, 30 seconds on the pike crawl, so you might go forward 15 seconds, back 15 seconds. Then you've got 30 seconds sissy squat, 5 reps, 30 seconds of the bend with 5 reps, 3 rounds of that. So it's a very dynamic core. It's not like the other ones where we've got this longer time under tension with simpler movements and slow movements. It is much more like a movement kind of pull-push legs kind of workout. But it's still, yeah, it's very good to get it done every week. It's a bit of fun, and it will condition you to get that connective tissue in the hanging, connective tissue in the crawling, and then that kind of knee stability with the sissy quad work and the hamstring work. With those ones, always be careful of your knees. If they're a bit dodgy, just hold on to something while you do it. You can hold on to the rings when you do the sissy, and just make it work for you. You want all your tissues to feel good and get stronger and healthier with every workout. Enjoy it.